How to buy FEG token on Trust Wallet. Updated tutorial, easiest method, a beginner's guide. After watching many videos on FEG here on our channel, I am confident that some of you might be interested in finding out more about investing in FEG tokens. So if you're a beginner and need some information on how to get your hands on FEG tokens, don't worry. Just make sure you're always on our channel, since in this video, we'll show you how to buy FEG tokens through a Trust Wallet. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Currently, FEG token is one of the biggest tokens on the market and is highly popular. In CoinGecko's algorithm, it's getting an increasing number of hodlers, and the market cap is growing day by day. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how to buy some and start your investing journey in FEG token. In the meantime, please remember, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Before that, again, what is FEG token? FEG tokens are transforming the way DeFi, decentralized finance, is structured. Tokens in the FEG ecosystem seek to reshape and evolve the way DeFi works while delivering the most robust ecosystem ever designed for DeFi's much-needed advancements. In this video, you will learn some information about when and how to buy FEG tokens using Binance's Smart Chain network. In the video, I forgot to mention that you can purchase FEG tokens using two different methods, on the Ethereum network or through Binance's Smart Chain. In the end, I went with the Binance Smart Chain network. This is because the cost is cheaper than buying on the Ethereum network, where you have to pay higher fees and have to wait a long time for the network to process. This is the reason I chose Binance Smart Chain, and if you decide to use this method, you should look at the FEG BSC charts instead of just the regular FEG charts, since they're based on the Ethereum network, am I right? Having said that, here is what you will need to do in order to purchase a FEG token using a Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet application can be downloaded by going to any major app store, if you don't already have it. You must sign up first, then you will be landed on a page where it shows how the transaction that could be done with the other crypto or tokens. And to start, you'll need a BNB coin, which is the currency of Binance. You can either purchase some directly from your Trust Wallet by clicking this button, selecting BNB, and then selecting the amount you want to spend. Let's say it's $150, and you choose your provider, depending on your location or country. You'll get a different amount of providers. And by the way, this isn't the cheapest way to get there, so just use the one with the best rate. In an attempt to get a cheaper way, you can go to maybe a Binance or another exchange, purchase BNB there, and then transfer it to a Trust Wallet, using the Receive button and then clicking BNB to get your address. You will then need to implement Smart Chain, assuming you have some BNBs, unless you change the network to Smart Chain from a BNB. If someone wonders why they cannot just get Smart Chain right away, I think what you need to do is you have to convert. It's BNB to BNB Smart Chain, so you can't buy it as far as I'm aware with fiat currency. Following clicking on BRB, the next step is to click on More. You then need to click on Swap to Smart Chain, and you have a 1-to-1 ratio. Immediately after, you will be able to see the amount you will be receiving and its corresponding network fee that you will be charged as a BNB. As soon as you're satisfied with everything, you can click the Send button and your request will be processed soon. The transaction usually takes a few minutes to complete, and you are ready to purchase FEG tokens. If you don't have the browser tab and you're using an iOS device, you need to open the operating system's browser and type in the URL that is listed in the description, and that will enable the browser to appear. Then, click to scroll down to find PancakeSwap. In the next step, you have to click on PancakeSwap, and if it doesn't have your little numbers already there, you have to click the Connect button. Doing so will let your Trust Wallet application sync with the PancakeSwap application. If your Trust Wallet is already connected, then BNB will automatically be selected when you tap it. Then we just need to choose the currency we want to transfer BNB to, in this case, FEG tokens. As it was a user-friendly application, how to proceed is straightforward, as the application itself will guide you. In the event that you search for FEG and nothing comes up, then you will need to get the BNC or BSC contract address. Therefore, if you go to fegtoken.com and click on the Pancake button, it will send you to the BSC scanner website. By scrolling down, you can copy the contract address and paste it in the Trust wallet directly. And then FEG token will be found using the contract address that you have pasted. Then just close that interface, and you can already see that you will be swapping BNB for FEG. In any case, if you're able to search for FEG for the first time, you will immediately see that BNB will be replaced by FEG as well. As the next step, you're going to set the slippage. However, let me first give you a brief overview of what slippage is. Slippage occurs when the traders have to accept a different price than what they initially requested due to a change in market price between the time an order enters the market and the time the trade is executed. The slippage can be set up simply by clicking on the three little lines at the center right of the interface, and a pop-up will appear. We will then go for a slippage tolerance. But what exactly does that mean? You set the limit of price slippage you are willing to accept through your slippage tolerance. Setting a slippage tolerance basically means that you can accept a certain number of tokens regardless of whether the interface rate shows higher or lower values. In percentage terms, slippage tolerance is the percent of total swap value that cannot be exceeded. Then, after setting up the slippage, the swap will be confirmed once you have confirmed it. You can confirm the price, which varies in value or worth from time to time, so you know how much you're going to spend for BNB. Also displayed are the network fee and the total transaction fee of your slippage, and you can already click the send button. Don't worry if the status is pending on the BSC scan. Just refresh for a few seconds later and it will show success now. That means that the transfer from BNB to FEG token has been successful. As you refresh the balance on the main wallet, you will be able to see that the balance has been changed and updated. As the contract address that you used for the BSC scan is a BEP20, you will only need to enable the FEG BSC. But if you used the ETH address, that is the Ethereum network, however, if your balance will be displayed without any problem, you will be able to see its current value after it was altered and updated. Congratulations! You have now purchased or invested in FEG tokens. This concludes the process of buying FEG tokens. I hope you found this video useful and can now start investing in FEG tokens. In any case, if you're having trouble connecting to your wallet via PancakeSwap, you can access PancakeSwap using the MetaMask browser and connect to your wallet there. And that's why you're going to stay tuned on this channel, as I will also do a video on how to buy FEG tokens using MetaMask. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.